Quick video to show you how to get your pumps ready ahead of a freeze so they don't damage anything. What I have in this situation is I have two pumps. The one on the left here, this runs the spa and runs the main pool. And then the one on the right, all that does is run a couple fountains that throw water up in the air at one end of the pool as a water feature. Now that pump, I don't want it running 24/7 when the temperature goes below freezing. So what I do ahead of a freeze, I remove the drain plugs. There's two of them on this pump. They look like this. So you can see them on the left pump there installed at the bottom. You've got one here and you've got one over here. When you take them out, you're going to want to loosen up that top. So you let the pressure out and all the water will drain out of those two plugs down at the bottom. All right. So you can just leave it there with the top like that. The water's all drained out of the pump. That's going to be safe no matter if it freezes or not. As soon as temperature gets below about 36 degrees, your freeze protect will turn on. And you're going to want to know how to activate circuits in your pool that need to be running when the temperature starts to get close to freezing. Because what you don't want to have happen is stagnant water in these pipes here or in your pump itself or in other parts of the pool will freeze and cause cracks in the pipes or cracks in the pump. Another pump that I have in this system is my Polaris pump here on the left. And this as well needs to be running during a freeze scenario. So I'll show you on my app how I've got that circuit also enabled to turn on when the temperature goes below 36 degrees. So you notice from Pentair, you've got two apps that are offered. The main ScreenLogic app on the right, which controls your pool, and then the configuration app on the left. This is where we'll set up your freeze protect capability. In the main menu here, the general settings offers these choices, and these are basic setup information. You don't manage any of the circuits from this screen. Setup circuits is where you want to identify where you need freeze protect. In this case, I don't need freeze protect on my spa because it's linked with my pool. They run off the same pump. So you see that the freeze protect button at the bottom here is not lit up. As I switch through to my different functions in the pool, I have a circuit called cleaner. And here it's showing that it's not on with the freeze protect, but I want that on because my cleaner could freeze and those pipes could break. And if I continue to go through, here's my fountain pump. I'm going to leave that off. I don't want my fountains to come on every time it gets to 36 degrees and start blowing water all over the place and causing more ice. Got an air blower for the spa. Lights for the pool. This might be something that you want to do to alert you that your freeze protect should be running. You could turn your lights on when the temperature got below 36 degrees. Here's my main pool pump. Definitely want that on with freeze protect. And spa light and so forth. So that's how that works. You're just going to go through the circuits that you want it turned on for. Go back to the main menu. If you've got other equipment that needs configuration, that's what this section would be for, other equipment. Setting up your pump. I've got one IntelliFlow pump, which is a variable speed pump, and one standard pump. So on my variable speed pump, you can see I've set up and named these different speeds for the pump. So if I set the pump to pool, it'll pump at 2,000 RPM, and then it just increments up from there. Also, tied in with my spa setting for that circuit, it'll control some valves. That'll make the water divert only into the spa so that the heater can heat up quicker. Spa side remotes lets you configure any handheld remotes that you have to control your pool, and schedules that helps you set up stop and start times for the pool, for your equipment, your cleaner and whatnot. Here I've just got two simple schedules set up, or actually just one right now for the cleaner. I typically run my pumps 24/7, so the pool pump's always running and it doesn't need a schedule. So that's it. That's how you use the configuration portion of your app. So I hope this video was helpful to show you how to set up some circuits for freeze protect and how to drain your pump ahead of a freezing event coming your way. And if it was, please give the video a thumbs up. That'll help other people find it as well. And as always, have a great day.